So Aoife, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the Buteyko Belt for you. The reason that we developed this belt was that we found there was two issues. One was that people often found that they didn't have time to do reduced breathing exercises. So then I was thinking, well, how can we help somebody to incorporate the exercise, say when they're on their laptop or if they're driving their car, or people as well, many of them are sleeping using the belt. And the belt is it's a simple restrictive breathing device, and basically you wrap it around your midriff, around where the diaphragm area is, so just at the kind of the bottom of the ribs, and you want to position it there, and then you tighten the belt to create air hunger. So we'll just open up the box. I'll show you how to put it on. And you wrap this around your midriff, and then you tighten it at the front. There's a Velcro, so you tighten it once. And then what you do is, to get the air hunger, you loosen the straps to get the degree of air hunger that you want. You want to be able to achieve an air hunger that's tolerable. Not that it's too light or not that it's too stressful. So basically, I'll pass you over that. So you want to position it that you feel that just at the bottom of the ribs, so even that it's encompassing the area around the diaphragm. And you seal the first Velcro there, and then you open up the side straps and you bring it in to tighten it just that bit further. And you're basically, then you can just sit back into the chair and let the belt do the work. So now what I'd like you to do is you feel the airflow coming in and out of your body. You're feeling the belt exerting a slight resistance against your breathing, and feel the resistance that the belt is exerting against your breathing, and allow the belt to gently soften the breath. So not necessarily to kind of breathe against the belt or to breathe hard, but to use the belt and the resistance of the belt as a reminder to just gently soften the breath. So for example, on the breath in, you're taking a very soft, slow, gentle breath in, and the belt is creating a resistance to help with that. And then at the top of the breath, you have a really gentle, relaxed breath out, and again, you're using the elasticity of the belt to assist with that. A number of things the belt is doing. One, it's bringing attention to the area around the diaphragm. This is very helpful in terms of developing this muscle. We know, of course, that if we have an individual who's been mouth breathing for a period of time, a lot of their breathing is in the upper chest, because mouth breathing is associated with upper chest breathing. Nose breathing is associated with diaphragmatic breathing. So the belt itself is bringing attention and awareness to the area around the diaphragm, and also the belt is applying that resistance to your breath to just gently allow you to soften the breath without you having to tense up or deliberately interfere with your breathing. And another aspect of it is that when you're driving, or when you're on your computer, or if you're going about your daily activities, even during sleep, it can be worn over a t-shirt. So you wear it underneath your clothes. As you can be applying the Buteyko method informally and doing it for periods throughout the day. So we would ask people to wear it for about 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times throughout the day, or even 20 minutes 3 times a day. So we're trying to get in between 40 to 60 minutes per day. Now, I've often used it. I've worn it during sleep, and I know it does help to restrict your breathing during sleep, and it does help to soften and calm down the breath. So especially with individuals, if they're prone to stress during the day, if they're forgetting about their breathing, if their breathing is very laboured during sleep, the belt could be a very useful aid. For other people who might find, they don't have the time to put it into practice, the belt is a useful aid. Or for other individuals, if they find that they're tensing up too much, even people with anxiety, they're putting too much effort into reducing their breathing, just simply wearing the belt can help gently soften and restrict the breath by virtue of the resistance that's placed against your diaphragm muscle. You're breathing against the belt, and that in turn is going to lower breathing volume. So that's the belt. Very simple device, and it can be used throughout the day, different times.